Hello students, now today I will explain some sums from chapter 15, that is triangles, and the sums will be 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 of exercise from exercise 15a. Okay, so let's see what is there in question number 1. So in a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, the two angles are given, that is angle A equals to 72 degree, angle B is given 63 degrees students, and we have to find out angle C. Now we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees, isn't it? Now what the reason we have to write? You have to write angle sum property of triangles. Fine. So from the angle sum property of a triangle, we can write this equation, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now in place of angle A, we can write 72 degree. In place of angle B, we will write 62 degree. We have to find angle C. So we will write angle C only 180 degree. Now we will add these two. So it will be 135 degree plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now we will transpose this 135 degree towards right hand side. So angle C would be equals to 180 minus 135 degrees. So the answer of angle C would be 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 45 degree. Fine. So this is the solution of question number 1. Now let's move on to question number 2. It's very similar to question number 1. So in triangle DEF, we have angle E is equals to 105 degree, okay, and angle F is equals to 40 degree. Okay, now we have to find angle D. The same way we will do angle E plus angle F plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so now in place of angle E, we will write 105. In place of angle F, we will write 40. And angle D, as we have to find it out, so we will write angle D only, and this would be equals to 180 degree. Now we will add these two angles, 105 plus 40 degree will become 145, plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Now we will transpose this 145 towards this side. So angle D would be equals to 180 minus 145, and that would be equals to 35 degree. So the value of angle D is 35 degree. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 4. Now what is question number 4? All the angles are given in the ratio form, that is 4:3:2. So what we have to do? We have to first find the sum of all the ratios. So sum of all the ratios is equals to 4 plus 3 plus 2, and that is equals to 9. Now as we know that all the interior angles, the sum of all the interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so we have to divide this 180 degree into all the angles, among all the angles. So in this ratio you can say that is 4:3:2. So what will be the measure of the first angle? So first angle would be equals to, what is the first ratio given? 4 by sum of the ratios into 180 degree. Okay, now reduce this. 9 ones are 9, 9 20s are 180 degree. So 4 into 20 is 80 degree. So the measure of first angle is 80 degree, students. Now what about second angle? Now for second angle you have to take the second ratio. That what is the second ratio? 3 by 9 into 180 degree. Now again you have to reduce it. 9 ones are 9, 9 20s are 180, and 3 into 20 is 60 degree. That is second angle is equals to 60 degree. And what about third angle? Now the third angle we have to take the last ratio, that is 2 by sum of ratio into 180 degree. So that is 9 ones are 9, 9 20s are 180, and 2 into 20 is 40 degree. So these are all the required angles. Okay, I believe everyone has understood this. Now let's move on to next question, that is question number 5. Now what is question number 5? So one right angle triangle is given. Now see, in right angle triangle is quite obvious that by default one angle would be equals to 90 degree, and these two are acute angles. Now among these two right acute angles, one angle is given as 36 degrees. So what is the measure of this angle? So we have to find out the value of x. So we can write sum of all interior angles, sum of all interior angles of triangle is equals to what? 180 degree, isn't it? So we can write all the angles x plus 90 degree plus 36 degree is equals to 180 degree, isn't it? Now 90 plus 36 would be what? It would be 126. So 126 is equals to 180. Now to get the value of x, we have to transpose this 126 degree towards right hand side. So x would be equals to 180 degree minus 126 degree. So the value of x would be 54 degree. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 5. Now let's do the last sum of today's session, that is question number 6. Again it is given that in the right angle triangles, the acute angles are given in the ratio form. So that means you see, so this is again a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle, and these two acute angles, students, these two acute angles are given in ratio. That is, it is given the ratio of 2:1. So what to do about this question? So we'll let the two angles, let the acute angles be 2x and x. Okay. Now since sum of all interior angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree, isn't it? So what we have to do, 90, it is 90 already given, so we'll consider this as x and this as 2x. So let us write it down, x plus 2x plus 90 degree would be equals to 180 degree. Now we will solve this x plus 2x, x plus 2x would be 3x plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now we will transpose this 90 degree towards right hand side, so we will get 3x is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, so the difference will come as 90 degree. But we have to get the value of x. For that we have to transpose 3 towards right hand side. So x would be equals to 90 degree by 3, and if we reduce it, we will get the answer as 30 degree. Fine. So one of the acute angle is known to us now, that is equals to 30 degree. So the first acute angle you can say as the first acute angle, and this is equals to what? 30 degree. And second acute angle was what? 2x. That means we have to multiply 2 with 30 degree, and this would be 60 degree. So that's it for today's session. I hope everyone has understood the sum. So thank you, God bless you, and take care.